Hello, beautiful. Well, we're ready for part 2. So now in part 1, we were going back with triple step, and now we're gonna go forward with our triple step, but it's actually not a triple step, it's a step touch. So you're gonna go forward, starting with your right foot. You're gonna step, touch, step, toe touch, step, toe touch. Okay, you do 4 counts of this. So we're going and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I want to make sure you see my feet. And right foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, if you want to, when you're doing your toe touch, you could add a little kind of ball. Like put some weight on the ball and then it add a little bounce. Notice I'm not extending my knee. I'm adding a little bounce. So I'm going step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce. So I'm kind of bouncing on the ball of my feet with a little step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce. And then I'm gonna have my hands kind of follow. So I'm gonna step with my right and then left, left. And do that together. I'm gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. Then you're gonna step down. Well, actually, you're not going to step down. You're actually just going to go on the ball of your feet. And if you're not comfortable going the ball, you could just go flat, flat. But add a little kind of bounce, like a little lift to it with shoulder shimmies. So we're going to go around 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we're going to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finish with shimmy again. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to add a little heel drop, I like adding heel drops, but you don't have to in this one. So again, we're going to go into the, and I'm going to go and elevate it this time with the shoulder shimmies. So let's start from the top, going forward, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do this with music and we'll do it 6 times, not stop. All right, that was part 2. So now we're going to be working with part 1 and part 2 in the next video. I'll see you then. Love you guys.